at this. Car bending corners out here. Full self-drive in full effect. About to cut off a motorcycle. Up, there it is. There's our first attempt of it messing up right there. Y'all saw that right there. It panicked and freaked out. Didn't want to turn off in front of that motorcycle. It's the first time I can say FSD didn't know what to do. And here it is now making its turn. Dude, that was a little wild right there. It's a little wild. Oh, we got a pedestrian. Sees the lady. Oh man, that was scary. But I didn't panic, didn't take over either. But you can clearly see, clear as day. We're in full self-drive mode, guys. I'm not driving. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and end it right here.